Today, we are starting a new topic, fractions. A fraction tells us about a part of a whole. We use fractions all around us. When we share food, cut shapes, or divide things equally. Are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey into the world of fractions.
It was Arav's birthday, and he was very excited. His mother ordered a big chocolate cake for the celebration. At home, there were 4 people. Arav, his sister, Ananya, Dad, and Mom. Arav said, "Let's all share the cake equally." Mom smiled and said, "Great idea, Arav. Let's cut the cake into 4 equal parts so everyone gets the same." So, the whole cake was divided into 4 equal parts. Each person got 1 out of 4 parts. Now Mom asked, "Arav, how much cake did each person get?" Arav proudly said, "Each of us got 1/4 of the cake. That's 1/4 or 1 part out of 4 parts." Everyone clapped and enjoyed their cake. Do you know how this can be shown mathematically? It is written as a fraction. 1/4. Let us learn more about fractions.
A fraction shows a part of a whole. Look here. We have 3 shapes. Each one is divided into 4 equal parts. In each of the shapes, 3 parts are shaded and 1 part is not shaded. Or we can say 3 parts out of 4 equal parts are shaded. We write this as 3/4. It has 2 numbers. The top number, 3, tells how many parts we have. The bottom number, that is 4, tells how many equal parts the whole is cut into. We also call it as 3 out of 4, 3/4, or just 3/4. So, fraction is nothing but a way to show the number of parts taken out of the whole.
Let us now understand the parts of a fraction. Look at these 2 shapes. 2 parts are shaded in each. The total parts in each shape are 5. We write this as a fraction. 2/5 or 2/5. The number on top is 2. This is the numerator. It tells how many parts are shaded. The bottom number is 5. This is the denominator. It tells the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. The line in the middle is called the fraction bar. Here's a way to remember. D for down, D for denominator. Denominator is the number at the bottom. So remember, top is equal to parts you have. Bottom is equal to total parts. Down means denominator. Now you know how to write a fraction. Let us look at different fractions and try to understand how big or small they are. When all parts taken, the fraction is equal to 1. That means the whole is fully taken. Look at the circle here. The whole circle is cut into 2 equal parts. And we take both parts. This is shown as 2/2 in fraction form. So 2/2 is equal to 1 whole. Similarly, if the whole is cut into 3 equal parts and all 3 parts are taken, we write it as 3/3. And if the whole is cut into 5 equal parts, we take all 5 parts and write it as 5/5. So, when numerator and denominator is same, that means all parts are taken and the fraction is equal to 1. But what if only some parts are taken? The fraction will be less than 1. Look here, 1 whole circle is cut into 2 equal parts. 1 part from there is taken and it is written as 1/2. If the whole is cut into 3 parts with 2 parts shaded, then we write it as 2/3. In the last one, 3 parts out of 5 equal parts are shaded. Can you tell what will be its fraction form? Yes, it will be 3 by 5. All these fractions are less than 1. Do you think fractions can ever be more than 1? Look at these examples. One whole is cut into 2 equal parts. If we have another whole circle and take one out of 2 parts from there, we will have 3 similar parts. We write it as 3 by 2. That is one whole and one more part. The second figure here shows the whole rectangle cut into 3 equal parts. We take 2 more such rectangles and shade 7 equal parts. We show it as 7 by 3. This means one whole is divided into 3 equal parts and we take 7 such parts. That is 2 whole and 1 more part. The last one shows whole cut into 5 equal parts. We take 8 such parts, that is 8 by 5. It means 1 whole and 3 more parts. So remember, fraction less than 1 means only some parts are taken, and numerator is less than denominator. Fraction equal to 1 means all parts taken, and numerator is equal to denominator. And fraction greater than 1 means more than one whole is taken. Here, the numerator will be more than the denominator.
Let's take a close look at the fraction wall. Each row shows one whole, but the whole is divided into different numbers of equal parts. Can you find the row where the whole is cut into 2 equal parts? What fraction is each part? Now look at the row with 3 equal parts. What fraction does each part show? Find the row where the whole is cut into 6 equal parts. What fraction is each part? As you move down the wall, do the pieces look bigger or smaller? Which row has the smallest pieces? How many parts is that whole cut into? All the top numbers, the numerators, are the same. What do you notice about the bottom numbers, the denominators? Now think. When the denominator gets bigger, what happens to the size of each part? Let's try another activity. This time, we will match fractions shown in different shapes. In column A, you see rectangles with some parts shaded. In column B, you see circles with shaded parts too. Your task is to match each rectangle to the circle that shows the same fraction. Look carefully. How many total parts are there? How many parts are shaded? Now ask yourself, is the numerator smaller than the denominator in each fraction? What does that tell you? Are all these fractions less than 1? Think and match. Let's see how well you understand fraction sizes.